Tamil Nadu government issues advisory to youth seeking jobs overseas amid rise in employment scams. Manipur Class 10 Result 2024 likely today at manresults.nic.in. Passing marks, division criteria. IIM Sambalpur, ICSSR host national seminar on unknown aspects of freedom struggle. UPG admission 2024 registration deadline extended to 3rd June. CHSE Odisha result 2024 80.95% pass arts, 86.93% science and 82.27% commerce. Girls dominate boys in all three streams. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: the Tamil Nadu government on Sunday appealed to youth seeking employment abroad, particularly in Southeast Asian countries, to thoroughly verify the antecedents of recruitment agents and companies before applying for a job. The advisory was issued in the wake of rescue of 83 Tamil youths from Cambodia, Thailand and Myanmar, where they were taken on tourist visas under the pretext of providing jobs in the IT sector and later were forced to engage in illegal online activities. Citing reports of Indian nationals being lured by unregistered agents with high-paying jobs in Laos, the non-resident Tamils Welfare Department in an official release on Sunday said the candidates were taken illegally across the border into Laos from Thailand and were held captive to work under harsh and restrictive conditions. The Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, BSEM, is likely to declare the Manipur Class 10 result 2024 today, 27th May, as per various media reports. Students who appeared in the high school leaving certificate exam will be able to check the results and download scorecards from the official website bsem.nic.in, manresults.nic.in. Manipur HSLC result 2024 live. Candidates will have to use their login credentials to download their Manipur HSLC result 2024. The board will also announce 10th toppers, performance of students across gender, category, schools, and more result status. Indian Institute of Management Sambalpur, in collaboration with the Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR, New Delhi hosted a national seminar on the topic Unknown Aspects of the Freedom Struggle, Cultural Heritage and Sustainable Management in Western Parts of Odisha. The national seminar was conducted at Rangavati Centre for Excellence in Culture and Sustainable Management at IIM Sambalpur campus. The objective of the seminar was to highlight the unknown aspects of the freedom struggle as well as the vibrant cultural heritage and folk traditions linked to sustainable management in western parts of Odisha, the official statement read. Speaking at the inaugural function, Mahadeo Jaiswal, IIM Sambalpur director, said, "The Banaras Hindu University, BHU, Varanasi, has extended the registration date for postgraduate (PG) programs for the academic year 2024-25. Candidates can now fill out the application form till 3rd June 2024 by visiting the official website bhu.ac.in. The institute has extended the deadline due to the commencement of the 2024 general elections in the region. According to an official note released by the chairman of the Central Admissions Committee of Banaras Hindu University, registrations will remain open until 11:59 p.m. The correction window for registrations Common University Entrance Test (QET) PG 2024 can apply for admission to Banaras Hindu University. The Council of Higher Secondary Education (CHSE) declared the results of Odisha Class 12 Examination 2024 on 26 May 2024. Students who have appeared for the examination and wish to check their results may visit the official website of CHSE Odisha at seodisha.nic.in. CHSE Odisha Class 12 Result 2024 live updates along with the declaration of the results. Odisha CHSE officials also released the data regarding the pass percentage, gender-wise pass percentage and other information. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.